health is like a digit one. Okay, if I have to, mention 1 crore, without one, what is the value of those
Correct.
zeros? But
Correct.
if we
Yeah,
put
yeah.
a one digit there, then there is a value of zeros as well. Similarly, our life is also related to that one digit. If we have good health, like if we have one, then there is a value of success, fame,
Correct.
and earn
Correct.
money entire in our life. But if we don't have one, like if we don't have our health, how we can build a healthy relationship, how we can get success, fame? What is the uses of these things? I don't think so.
Before marriage, I was not able to cook even simple thing. But after when my daughter was born, now I become a good cook, and this is the one of my hobbies. Cooking is my
Wow.
hobby now nowadays.
Often says that, Mama, I want to have simple Maggie. Don't put any ingredients even in my Maggie, only put masala, whatever the in the Maggie is. So she doesn't like to have it. But yes, I am fortunate enough that whenever I make porridge and khichdi for her, then she likes
Yeah,
it. It is also
yeah,
a
yeah.
healthy, like, I
So
put some soya bean, like nutri in the
yes,
porridge.
yes,
So this is
correct,
also
correct,
a healthy food. Okay. But
correct,
if you are
correct.
not consistent, you are just putting procrastinating things. So nobody can stop you to procrastinate. But if you are positive enough, you are putting heart and soul in something. So yes, success is there. Success is always
Yeah,
waiting us, isn't it?
yes, yes, yes,
Yes.
correct.
Very, very good morning, ma'am. How are you doing today? A warm welcome to my YouTube channel.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And I'm pretty well by God grace. And how about you?
Yes, I am also exceptionally well. Can't complain. Life can't
Okay.
be always in our favor, but we should be grateful whatever God has given us, isn't it?
Yeah. Yes, yes. I totally agree with you. I completely of the same mind.
Very nice. Okay, so tell me, how's life treating you so far? How's your English learning journey going on?
Okay. So I would like to give one answer that you ask about how is life treating me. So I would say life treating me so well, and I'm in my element. I'm happy with everything. Everything is hunky dory. And second question is that how is my English journey? So I would say yes. I try to be consistent. So yes, I'm putting my efforts every day.
Okay, so as we are talking for the very first time, I guess we should do this formality.
Yeah,
Right.
yeah, yeah, sure.
Introduce ourselves first, right? So you go first or shall I?
Yeah, you go first. Not an issue.
Okay, so coming to me, my name is Meenakshi from Punjab. Currently, I am homemaker, blessed mother of one daughter. Moreover, I am a spoken English teacher. I teach beginners, moreover, intermediate students as well. My hobbies are learning new skills, expanding my knowledge day by day. Simultaneously, I'm running a small YouTube channel by the name of English with Meenakshi. So it's a nutshell introduction from my side.
It's
Giving
nice
introduction
intro.
every day.
It's nice introduction because I heard first time, so it's I really appreciate your introduction, and I also want to introduce myself. My name is Barkha, as is mentioned that, and I am from MP, Madhya Pradesh. I hold a BAMS degree. I'm an Ayurvedic doctor and completed PG diploma in yoga education, PG diploma in psychological counseling, but I didn't practice. I'm a devoted homemaker and mother of one daughter. If I talk about my hobbies, so I have plethora of hobbies. I love cooking, reading books, gardening, playing guitar. So, and moreover, I have a small YouTube channel named Barkha's English Journey. I started 2 months ago for my betterment. So, this is pretty much about me.
Wow, what a wonderful introduction. And there are so many things in your plate. And I kudos to you that you are pursuing so many things. Very nice. As you mentioned that you are a Ayurvedic doctor, so means are you pursuing this right now, or still you are a devoted homemaker only?
No, I'm devoted homemaker. After marriage, I didn't practice because of due to some circumstances, and I have a small, I mean, nuclear family. That's why I didn't practice. Yeah, after marriage.
Okay. So tell me something about it. Like there are so many people, they say, we should have Ayurvedic medicine. There is no side effects. So please elaborate it if you can share your insights on this.
Yeah, definitely. Because Ayurveda medicine based on, I mean, only plants. So I would say if they are provide authentic medicine, so there is no side effect. But we know this thing nowadays people are so rapacious. So they adulterate that medicine. They put other things. So that's why people get sometime that side effect or something like that. Otherwise, there is no side effect in Ayurvedic medicine.
Right. Actually, because I also have sometimes Ayurvedic medicine and I have it freely. But on the flip side, whenever I have to go allopathic, so sometimes I wonder, should I have or not? But allopathic medicine always gives us instant result, isn't it?
Correct.
And everyone
Correct.
wants to recover as soon as it possible. But Ayurvedic
Yes.
medicine or allopathic, sorry, homeopathic medicine both takes time to recover. Is it?
Yes. Yes.
But there is no side effects. We should have it in the term of like my daughter, whenever she doesn't feel appetite, and for the sake of that, I often give her, homeopathic medicine.
Yes.
It
Yes.
probably
Correct.
takes time, but yes, we can recover soon, isn't it?
Yeah. It is very safe for kids also
Exactly.
because and homeopathy medicine is like a sweet, so a sweeter in taste. So easily children, I mean, get ready to take. So this is the thing.
Exactly. But nowadays, children have, means, what should I say? Children are not having a good calcium, vitamin in them. So, what is the reason behind that? Do you have any points on it?
I would say this. I mean, nowadays they have a lot of option of junk foods, so they are crave for that them. And second thing is they are. I mean, they are too fussy sometimes. So, but I would say that. This is a tedious task for mothers, but I would say if you want to give mindfully, so definitely they will take in form of parathas, if not cutlet or many things. You have to think about it, how to give vegetables, fruits in their diet. So
Yes.
this is our task actually, because children is always like a children, right? They don't understand everything, what is the vitamins, what are the minerals and everything. So we should I mean, especially for mothers,
Daunting task.
they should aware about all these things, how to give those kind of things to their children.
Exactly, but it's really a daunting task for us. Like, if I
Yes,
talk about
correct.
me, sometimes I serve my daughter, means a healthy diet. For instance, chickpeas, onion, tomatoes, and mixture of cheese as well. But she neglects to have that. She often says, "Mama, I don't like that. I don't like onions." So I feel, what should I give you? Isn't it? And
Yeah,
she's becoming thin, means she used to be chubby, but nowadays she's becoming thin, and everyone says me only. Why she's becoming so thin? You are not taking care of her. What should I say? Yes, I am taking care of her, but she's not ready to have her food on
correct,
time,
correct.
and she
Even in my case,
now.
yeah, even I have one daughter. So always she demands, because according to her demand, I'll give food items. But what I do one thing, that I always give homemade food first thing. Second thing, whenever she demands something, like she demands sometimes junk food about Maggie. She's fond of Maggies. So sometimes once a while when I'll give, so 60-70% I put vegetables and half packets of Maggie, then I give, because we cannot deny totally 100%. They can't understand this thing. But my motto is that I have to give 60-70% of vegetables in her diet.
This
Yeah.
is also
So
a
in this way, I handle everything. Although this is very tedious task.
exactly. And whenever my daughter see onion in her, food, like you are talking about Maggie, but she often says that, Mama, I want to have simple Maggie. Don't put any ingredients even in my Maggie. Only put masala, whatever the in the Maggie is. So she doesn't like to have it. But yes, I am fortunate enough that whenever I make porridge and khichdi for her, then she likes
Yeah,
it. It is also
yeah.
a healthy, like I
So
put some soya bean, like nutri, in the
yes,
porridge.
yes,
So this is
correct,
also
correct.
a healthy food, isn't it?
So I would say, if your child takes, 80% fruits and vegetables, so once a while you can give simple Maggie, or according to their wish. There is no harm, because we cannot deny 100%. We cannot say like this, no, you don't eat that this or that. They don't agree with us in
Exactly.
this way.
And
Yeah.
one more thing is that I often, use the semolina food,
Yeah.
like semolina macaroni, Maggie,
Mm-hmm.
not Maggie, sorry, atta Maggie, yes,
Yes,
flour
correct,
Maggie. So I always
correct.
give her, like, it is the cost is of such things. It's very high, but at least we are giving them at least nutritious food, right? It's not
Yes,
called as junk food,
correct,
isn't it? So I get
correct.
it's fine. And I also give her once in a blue moon, and so that it could not be harm for her.
Harm. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This is a correct way actually. Even I do the same.
Yes.
Because if we always say you eat this or that, they will not agree. So according to their wish, we try to make a healthier thing.
Right. Exactly.
Yeah. Mm.
But
Yeah.
it's very hard to make them understand we should not eat. Even yesterday, I was watching one video and I tried to make her realize, let's see how people make ice cream, kulfi, so you should not eat. But later, within a few seconds, she said, Mama, I wanted to have ice cream. So could you please provide me? Then you just watched one video. They don't even feel, yes, it could be a harmful for us, but whatever they want instantly.
Yeah, even before marriage, I was not able to cook even simple thing. But when my daughter was born, now I become a good cook, and this is the one of my hobbies. Cooking is my
Wow.
hobby now nowadays, because of her.
Yes, your daughter made you chef.
Yeah. Yes, yes,
Yes.
correct,
What
correct.
kind of food you can mostly prepare for her?
Simple food, because I like North India thali, and breakfast I generally give fruits and vegetable juices, and lunch I'll give I generally give dal, rice, vegetable and salad, and evening I'll give vegetables and chapati. So this is a meal, and I talk about snacks, so in between makhanas and dry fruits, I'll give.
Okay, okay. Yes. So, according to you, what is the right time to have food at night?
Night.
Yes.
Okay. So, I would say that which I am following, till 7, I have finished my dinner. We have early dinner. Yeah, we have early dinner. So 6:30, around 7 o'clock, maximum 7:30. We have dinner, and I have been following this ritual for 12 years.
Wow. Okay.
Yes.
Actually, my husband is really a health conscious and he always prefers to have dinner at least till around 7 or 7:30. But
Yeah.
I often say I am already thin, but why you always compel me? He said it is not for your, body, like healthy body or chubby body, but it depends on your inner. It's for your intestine, isn't it?
Correct.
So
Correct.
that's why now I also started having my dinner till 7:30. After that, we don't eat anything else, right?
Yes. Yes.
I am trying to become, I am trying that, okay, once I've been accustomed of this thing, then it could be easy for me forever. Now I don't want to change this habit. Let's see
Because
if it will
yeah,
work.
in this way, we take 2 3 hours
Yes,
before sleeping. Right? We usually generally we hit the sack 10 or 11. So
exactly.
if we take 7 7:30 dinner, so that time 2 3 hours we will take, and in this way digestion is also I mean will be very easy for us.
Exactly. And I have
Yeah,
seen
so
the
that's why.
difference. I have seen the difference actually. Within a 2, 3 days, I can see that my stomach is not heavy, everything is
Yeah.
fine, and I am feeling, appetite or starving during that time. So I can see the difference. So I feel okay, I should follow the same ritual, at least
Hmm.
for me, for my health, isn't it? And I am
Yes,
also
yes.
doing yoga these days in the
Okay.
like 4 to 5. So I thought, why should we neglect our brush aside our health, right?
Hmm.
Health is like a digit one. Okay, if I have to, mention 1 crore, without one, what is the value of those
Correct.
zeros?
Correct.
But if we
Yeah,
put
yeah.
a one digit there, then there is a value of zeros as well. Similarly, our life is also related to that one digit. If we have good health, like if we have one, then there is a value of success, fame,
Correct.
and earn
Correct.
money entire in our life. But if we don't have one, like if we don't have our health, how we can build a healthy relationship, how we can get success, fame? What is the uses of these things? I don't think so, isn't it?
Yeah, that I couldn't agree more. And I would say that health is our first asset,
Uh-huh.
right? Health, if health is there, so we can do anything in our life. And
Yes.
health is not there, so I would say you will not, you cannot enjoy even simple moments in your daily routine.
Yes.
So health is greatest asset.
Yes, exactly. And I feel content whenever I go for yoga. And apart from that, when I give some time for myself, like for instance, if I go to the Gurdwara Sahib, I feel yes, I do. I did whatever I want. And secondly, for my health, because English or learning new skills, it's a never-ending journey.
Never
Is
ending process.
Yes,
Correct.
and we have to learn this skill, entire until we die. So every day we have only 24 hours, but how we utilize those hours, it depends
Yes,
on person
correct.
to person. So instead
Person.
of, doom scrolling, the time when you doom scrolling, you can utilize your time for introspection. You can
Hmm.
introspect for some time. You can go to the religious place, whosoever
Definitely,
the place to
definitely.
follow, है ना? So it is also a one way. Like some people say that we don't have time, how we can utilize our time. So this is a just lame excuse,
No,
isn't it?
no. Actually, this they don't. I wouldn't say they don't have time. I would say they don't have mindset.
Mindset.
Yeah, and as you said that if we spend some time with our loved one, family member, if you spend some time with ourselves and go spiritual places like Gurudwara temple, so definitely you feel peace and serene environment you feel. So it is very necessary nowadays because we live in fast-paced era. Everything is just running, through hamster wheel without any cheese. So I would say we should a little bit slow down ourselves.
Exactly. Okay, so I guess we are keep talking about health or other things. So please tell me something. When did you start your YouTube channel, by the way?
I started my YouTube channel 2 months ago for my betterment. I tell you where from where I started my journey. I studied in a vernacular medium, and whole schooling and college education I completed in Hindi medium. Hindi is my native language. So everybody expect that I am an Ayurvedic doctor, so I must be fluent in this language. But reality was different, and I would say that this English language has been my childhood dream. And so I'm learning this language, and it's been 5 months. 5 months ago, I started my journey, and after that, after 3 months or 4 months, I think that I have a lot of content, but I'm not summarized all the content. So that's why I started my journey. At least I have a compile something. So whenever I find that I need it, so I just go through and search what is there. So
Yes.
that's why I started my journey for my betterment.
Very nice, very nice. Yes, we should, nowadays, I guess there are so many people, they want to become fluent in this language. For the sake of that, they start their YouTube channel so that they can be consistent in this language, isn't it? So, very nice. But I appreciate you that you just started your learning journey 5 months ago. I guess you also started from scratch. So, how
Yes,
you would
correct.
get that much fluency within a 5 months? Like, what kind of approach are you following? What is the method? Tell me, please.
Yes, yes. I would say that I'm very fortunate. I found one that platform which is belong to Sunita Rao ma'am group, and I joined from scratch, and I started my journey from that platform only. And then I learn where I found co-learners, and I practice every day. I took 3 4 calls every day, and try to be consistent and speak more and more, because mentor suggested as much as you speak, then you fluent, you become more fluent. So in this way I started my journey, and apart from this I try to listen only English content. And 1 month ago I started a reading habit. I'm incorporating this reading habit into my life. So I would say I always try to be consistent, because I know this thing, this is a lifelong journey, and this is a not a overnight journey, this is a not a 9 days wonder. Because if I want to be eloquent speaker, so definitely I have to go extra mile, right?
Exactly.
And so I believe in slow and steady pace, but yes, consistency is there.
Yes, yes,
Because
exactly. And every small efforts count. If you are
yes,
consistent, even, means you can see the result with flying colors, isn't it? But
correct,
if you are
correct.
not consistent, you are just procrastinating things. So nobody can stop you to procrastinate. But if you are positive enough, you are putting heart and soul in something. So yes, success is there. Success is always
Yeah.
waiting us, isn't it?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes.
Correct.
Okay. But
Correct.
if you are
Correct.
not consistent, you are just procrastinating things. So nobody can stop you to procrastinate. But if you are positive enough, you are putting heart and soul in something. So yes, success is there. Success is always
Yeah.
waiting us, isn't it?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes.
Correct. Correct.
Very
Correct.
nice.
Okay. So, okay, so I you said that you belong to Punjab. So I lived in Punjab for about 3 years, from
Huh?
2013 to 2015, and I lived in Bias.
Wow, it is a very near, like I
Yes.
live in the Jalandhar.
Yes, correct, correct. Because Beas is situated between Jalandhar and Amritsar,
Jalandhar
and
and
it is well known for Radha Swami Dera, I
yes, yes.
think.
Actually, my parents go there. My parents go there in Payas, like they are devoted. So means every Saturday, Sunday, my parents go there. This shrine. Yes, yes,
Okay,
yes.
okay, okay. So
Actually,
basically, you belong to Punjab, right?
belong to Punjab. I born and brought up here.
Jalandhar only.
Yes, Jalandhar only. But my in-laws in Karnal. Here I live here because my husband does job in the Gurdwara Sahib. He is a preacher actually. So that is the reason
Okay.
we are living in the Gurdwara Sahib actually.
Oh
Though
my
we
God.
have built our own house nearby, it's not very far. It's quite stone throw away. But here I am living because I feel content when I start my day. I can listen the noise. So it's also a contentment inside you, and it always reminds you that why you born, what is the
You are
reason
here.
behind.
Mm,
Yes, yes.
yes,
So
correct, correct.
sometimes I feel still I am happy. My husband always asks me when you are going to shift there. I feel okay, still wait for some time. Let's see what future brings for us.
But I must say you are, but I must say you are, very fortunate that you live in near to Gurudwara Sahib,
Yes,
and I totally the peaceful, serene environment I feel because earlier when I got married, I used to go Gurudwara Sahib, and so I feel the environment, what kind of environment, and you are feeling 24 hours this kind of environment, so I must say you are very fortunate.
yes. Thank you so. Have you ever visited in Bias?
Yes, no, right now no.
No, no.
Earlier when
When you were there, you told us.
yes, yes, yes,
Oh,
yes, yeah, yeah,
okay.
I went to Jalandhar, I went to that Amritsar, so I used to go there generally, yeah, when
I
I was there.
forgot. Nowadays, where are you living?
I am in MP, Madhya Pradesh.
Okay. So for what purpose you were there for 3 years?
My husband was in defense that time, so he posted there.
Okay, okay. Right, right.
Yes. Yeah, yeah.
Because of husbands, came across with so many women because of their husband's job. They have to shift here and there.
Yes,
So this
yes,
is the way, we can explore some different places as
yes,
well,
yes,
isn't
yes.
it?
Even I visited, yeah, I visited so many state, and I love that all state, and I love eclectic food because I'm fond of that cooking, as I mentioned earlier. So
Yes.
I love how to cook different state food, and I try to, make at home
Yes.
those dishes. Yeah, and I visited Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab, Maharashtra, and South, that Coimbatore, and apart from this, Dehradun, Uttarakhand. So
Wow.
many state I already covered.
So which place did you find most interesting?
I would say every state is their own beauty. Every state has their own beauty. So I love all the state, but it depends on the our situation, our mindset, our circumstances. So I would say every state I love.
Yes,
I'm
yes.
not yeah, I'm not able to discriminate any state.
Exactly. Because every city, every state, every
Yeah,
country has their own charm, so we can't negate,
charms. Yes,
right?
yes, correct,
Very
correct.
nice, very nice. As I am living here in the Jalandhar city, so there are so many people they want to visit here, and if the person is living in the village, they're like I also want to explore the village, people. But luckily, I got married there in the village, so twice or
Correct.
thrice a year we visit there. So I can find the serene environment, and it gives me a tranquility that okay, finally I am
Yeah,
here for
correct, correct.
4 5 days, and I will not take any kind of burden here. So sometimes we need, right? Like वो कहते हैं ना कि घर की रोटी रोज अच्छी नहीं लगती है. Sometimes
we
we
need
need
we
different
need
things.
some change.
Exactly. So we should explore actually. Even ऐसे तो देखो बच्चे भी बोलते हैं कि now mama it's 1 week. What's your plan
Yeah,
for Sunday, right? Isn't it?
correct,
So
correct,
our mind wants different things.
correct.
Our minds also wants to explore new things. So we should give some space as well, isn't it? Out of
Okay.
our hectic
So
schedules.
regarding this content, I would ask one question. If you could give one piece of advice to other women or mothers, so what would it be?
Related to English, related to.
Related, no, apart from this English, about life lessons, what you want to give life lessons.
Yes, yes, exactly. If I would give one piece of advice to women, so obviously nowadays women wear so many hats, right? So we should not depend on our husbands, on our fathers, right? God gave you morality, so you should be independent, isn't it?
Yes, correct,
So
correct.
I also believe in women empowerment. Okay, so nobody can stop you if you have strength to achieve any kind of goal in your life, right?
Mhm.
You are not meant for raising children, doing household chores, and fulfilling the responsibility of your family. You have your own
Correct.
ambitions, you have your own dreams and goals. Be ready to achieve those goals,
Hmm.
right?
Correct.
You are not less than men. Okay,
Yes,
so
yes.
find your potential, right? And don't be discriminate between. There is no discrimination between men and women. You have the more power than men. So find your potential and take one step forward and achieve your goal, whatever you want, and stop saying please to everyone. Start saying say no. You can take an example of many women. They have achieved their goal, and nobody can stop you to achieve their goal. So please come out of your comfort zone, start putting your heart and soul, and get ready to achieve your goals.
Yeah,
It's
you
my
hit the
advice.
nail on the head, I must say. And yes, I totally, resonate this thing that because women always keep themselves at the bottom of the priority list, and
Yes.
this is not correct,
Hmm.
right? We should be live for our personal growth or personal desire, personal dream, to spend some time with it, because we know this thing, life is all about balance. We are not saying that you escape from your responsibilities, you fulfill your responsibility, but take squeeze some time for themselves, ourselves.
Yes,
Yeah,
take care of your health as well. अपने आप
yeah,
का
yes,
ध्यान
yes,
रखो. हम अपने आप को ही इग्नोर करते जा रहे हैं आज के
correct,
टाइम में.
correct.
वाई आपके बच्चे नहीं पूछेंगे इन फ्यूचर मम्मा यू
Mhm.
हैव डन सो मेनी थिंग्स फॉर मी. हमको
Yes,
फिर भी
correct.
रोना ही पड़ेगा. सो
Mhm.
यू डोंट नीड टू क्राई. लिव योर
Yes,
लाइफ फॉर योर सेल्फ, right?
correct,
Not
correct.
always depend on your partner, your children. Like when they will give me validation, then I will start my life.
Yeah, and you are happy if you feel
Yes,
self-content, so you can make other person happy. Otherwise,
yes,
it will not happen. Yeah,
exactly.
and other part is this: if you have, if you are healthy, so you are able to do anything for your loved ones,
Yeah,
right? So their health should be first priority,
yeah.
our first priority.
Yes, exactly. Okay, so I guess we are running out of time. So
Yes.
I guess it was a very phenomenal session. Though we didn't discuss any topic, it was a random discussion, but we
Yes.
went with the flow, isn't it?
Yes, yes, correct. I totally agree with you.
Yes, so okay, thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much, Meenakshi ji, for giving me chance that and I enjoyed a lot through all the conversation, and my best wishes always are with you and your YouTube channel. keep learning and keep growing.
Thank you so much. Feeling is mutual. It's a win-win situation, right? We can impart and gather some knowledge from each other, right? And we can take one step forward by taking help of each other, isn't it? So thank you so much for sharing your insights and looking forward to have more conversation with you.
Thank you so much. It's pleasure of mine. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
Bye bye.